We are watching the fireworks.
Ow!
Oh my God, Josh!
Ow! I'm blinding myself. Ow!
Yes, you are. And hi.
You're probably gonna post this on Facebook, right?
No, not on Facebook. I'm gonna post it on YouTube.
Oh, wonderful.
There's the moon. Where's the moon?
I'm not taking a video, dumbbell.
Ew! Look, come on. Where are the fireworks? In 10 minutes they'll start. 10 minutes!
You said it 2 minutes ago, so in 8 minutes. What now? Haha. You're weird.
He's touching me.
Oh, that's just wrong. That's just wrong.
He's touching me? Is that what your uncle said?
Yeah. That's my shoes, but okay. My soda.
Yeah.
See the girls dancing?
Yeah, they were so inappropriate. They were like so naked.
Oh, you have on video. Okay. Oh, shit. I'll buy the video for 99 cents.
Okay.
I was joking.
I didn't do anything.
Uncle Brian, that does not sound very right.
Yeah. You have to.
What?
Ow. Oh, up there?
Yeah.
Oh, that's